If you need to share your Calendly availability quickly, this video will walk you through the simplest way to do it step by step. By the end, you'll know how to open the right event, choose the availability you want to share, and send it directly to someone by email. This is a great way to make scheduling easier for clients, teammates, or anyone who needs to book time with you. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log in to your Calendly dashboard. Once you're inside, take a moment to look at your active events. These are the meetings or appointment types you've already created and made available for booking. Find the event that you want to share with someone and click on it to open the settings for that specific event. Now, before sharing, make sure the availability schedule is set the way you want. Calendly lets you choose a preferred availability schedule, so select the one you want to share and save it if needed. This step is important because it ensures the person receiving the link or invite sees the correct time windows for booking. After that, look for the Share button on the event card. This is usually located directly on the event itself, so you don't have to dig through multiple menus. Click Share, and Calendly will open sharing options for that event. From there, choose the email or send email option. This allows you to send your availability directly to someone's inbox instead of copying and pasting a link somewhere else. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the to field. Make sure you type it correctly so the invitation goes to the right person. If you want, you can also add a short message or customize the subject line. That's optional, but it can be helpful if you want to give the recipient more context, such as what the meeting is for or why they're receiving the invite. Once everything looks good, click Send. Calendly will deliver the booking invitation directly to their inbox, and they'll be able to view and respond to your shared availability. This makes it much easier to coordinate meetings without back and forth messages trying to find a time that works. So to recap, log into Calendly, open your active event, choose the availability schedule, click Share, select email or send email, enter the recipient's email address, add an optional message if you want, and hit Send. That's all it takes to share your Calendly availability in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.